engaging, productive, fun. These are words you will rarely hear come out of a student's mouth when referencing lecture classes, and this is for a good reason too. Between cramping hands, sloppy notes, and frantically attempting to participate in discussion, actually retaining any useful information from a lecture seems impossible. But with Mic Pro, it's now easier than ever. With our software, you can kick back, engage in discussion, and retain valuable knowledge while knowing that whatever you missed will be transcribed for you faster than your classmate can say,
"Ow, I got carpal tunnel."
This is Mic Pro. It is a software that runs off of lapel microphones and offers voice-to-text transcriptions, language translation, and in-class displays for the hearing impaired. When worn by a professor, Mic Pro will transcribe all contents of a discussion onto an in-class display for the hearing impaired and will upload the discussion onto Canvas for students to be able to access later. This will allow for more relaxed, accurate, and organized note-taking that students can do at their own pace and on their own time, which will allow them to direct more focus towards participating in the discussions in class. Mic Pro can also help students with excused absences access valuable discussion content from classes that they've missed. However, professors will also be allowed to deny access to students with unexcused absences to prevent Mic Pro from being used as an excuse to not show up to class. A majority of students we surveyed agree that lecture classes are boring, monotonous, and stressful. So don't be like this guy and get Mic Pro.